must be very proud of yourself, huh? You gave both those girls wings to fly.
Of course I'm proud.
Ako naman natutuwa because now you have a replacement.
Matigilan mo na yung pagiging passive-aggressive mo.
Oh, what I'm just trying to say is that they are so good they could replace you anytime, right?
No. Marami pa akong plano para sa Velma Beauty. We're just getting started.
Aren't you too old to be focusing on your career? I mean, you should be focusing on having a baby.
Ma.
What? She can have a beauty empire, but it is not a replacement for a complete family.
Ma, you're just saying that dahil threatened ka sa akin.
Me? I'm not threatened by you. I've seen you fall flat on your face. You failed in your career, your family.
Ma, we've been trying to have a baby for so long now.
Maybe you're not trying hard enough. Don't forget, women have a biological clock, and your time is running out. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
Ma, napaka-makaluma niyong mag-isip. Ang realidad, bawat babae ngayon, they can have both. A career and a family. Hindi katulad ng mga panahon niyo dati.
I gave up what I wanted because I had my priorities. I had warned him about marrying a woman like you, a mature woman. But no, pinaglaban ka niya dahil mahal ka daw niya. You don't want him to regret about marrying you, do you? But you know what? I know what will make him really happy. Kung mabibigyan niya ako ng isang apo.
Eddie, totoo ba to?
Han, what Ma is trying to say is, I mean, I agree.
This is unbelievable. You are unbelievable!
Velma. Ma.